Hello, welcome to Bell CB and the tune-up report on the RCI-2980WX. This is for Patrick in Mississippi. Alright, Patrick. Over here I've got 10 watts dialed in across the top. Got the radio's power turned all the way down. And it's just a little under a watt. You can scroll it up. Just about 10 watts. Now the peak power, 50 watt scale. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 will be coming in just under that.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And on side bands. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. Audio. Alright, let's put it on there. Rager 19 for radio check.
How about it, 19? Can I get a radio check?
It's working, man.
I appreciate it. Thank you.